What is coding? With real examples. What does coding mean? Coding is the process of writing instructions for a computer so it knows what to do. In simple words, coding equals telling a computer what to do using a language it understands. So, human idea means code means computer action. Example idea. You write instructions. The computer follows them. It means, coding is writing instructions for computers, creating programs, giving commands in a special language, turning ideas into actions, making software work. So, coding equals human logic written in computer language. Why it matters. Without coding, crossmark computers do nothing useful. Crossmark no apps. Crossmark no websites. Crossmark no games. Crossmark no automation. With coding, checkmark apps are created. Checkmark websites work. Checkmark games run. Checkmark machines can think logically. Checkmark tasks can be automated. Real-life examples of coding. Think of coding like giving orders. Example 1. Alarm app. Code tells phone. Wake user at 7 a.m. Play sound. Show message. Example 2. Calculator. Code tells computer. Take two numbers. Add them. Show result. Example 3. Traffic light. Code tells system. If light is red means stop. If light is green means go. So, instructions equals code. Action equals result. How coding works. Step by step. You think of a solution. You write instructions. Code. Computer reads code. Computer performs actions. You see the result. Flow. Idea means code means computer means output. Where coding is used. Coding is used in mobile apps, websites, games, ATM machines, cars, smart TVs, robots, AI systems. So coding is everywhere. Phone, laptop, bank, hospital, internet. Example scenario. Real life. Online shopping app. Coding logic. User selects item. App calculates price. App checks payment. App shows order confirmed. Here, every step is controlled by code. No human needed. System works automatically. This makes the system checkmark fast, checkmark reliable, checkmark scalable. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often think coding is only typing. Copy code without understanding. Skip planning. Ignore errors. Give up quickly. These happen because coding needs logic, not just typing. Good practices for coding. Checkmark think before writing code. Checkmark write small programs first. Checkmark test your code. Checkmark fix errors slowly. Checkmark practice daily. Bad. Crossmark write huge programs. Crossmark no testing. Crossmark blind copy paste. Good. Checkmark small steps. Checkmark clear logic. Checkmark regular practice. Real life analogy. Coding is like giving instructions to a robot. Robot cannot guess. Robot only follows steps. Same with computer. It needs clear instructions. It does exactly what you write. Important point. Coding is not magic, is not just typing, is logic plus instructions. Needs practice. Anyone can learn. Without coding. Crossmark no software. Crossmark no automation. Crossmark no digital world. Simple definition. Coding equals writing instructions for a computer to perform tasks. Summary. Coding. Checkmark turns ideas into software. Checkmark controls computers. Checkmark builds apps and websites. Checkmark solves problems. Checkmark powers the digital world. Without coding. Crossmark no programs. Crossmark no apps. Crossmark no automation. With coding. Checkmark computers become useful. Checkmark technology grows. Checkmark people create solutions.